The James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch in 2021, is poised to be one of the most powerful space instruments ever created. Its advanced technology will allow it to see further and more clearly than any telescope before it, and its capabilities will enable scientists to explore some of the most fundamental questions about the universe. One of the most exciting aspects of the James Webb Space Telescope is that it will be able to see back in time. This is because it is designed to observe the universe in infrared light, which allows it to see through dust and gas clouds that can obscure visible light. As a result, it will be able to observe the very first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang, as well as the earliest stars and black holes. In fact, one of the main goals of the James Webb Space Telescope is to study the first stars in the universe. These stars, which formed roughly 200 to 300 million years after the Big Bang, are believed to have played a critical role in shaping the cosmos as we know it today. By studying them in detail, scientists hope to gain a better understanding of the fundamental processes that govern the structure and evolution of the universe. But the telescope won't just study the first stars, it will also explore the evolution of galaxies over time. By observing galaxies at different distances and therefore different ages, scientists can track their formation and growth, and learn more about how the universe has changed and evolved over billions of years. Perhaps most excitingly, the James Webb Space Telescope may be able to find signs of life beyond our solar system. By studying the atmospheres of exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars, the telescope may detect the telltale signatures of life, such as the presence of oxygen or methane. This would be a groundbreaking discovery that could change our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Hey guys! I came here in the middle of the video, asking you to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, because there is a lot of special content every day. Keep watching. Overall, the James Webb Space Telescope promises to be a game changer in the field of astronomy. Its ability to see further and more clearly than any other telescope before it will enable scientists to explore some of the most fundamental questions about the universe, and may even help us to discover new worlds and new forms of life beyond our own planet. It truly is an exciting time to be an astronomer. While the James Webb Space Telescope will be exploring the universe's past, it will also be taking a closer look at the present. One of the telescope's goals is to study the formation of stars and planets in our own galaxy, the Milky Way. In particular, the telescope will focus on studying protoplanetary disks, the swirling rings of gas and dust that surround young stars and eventually coalesce into planets. By studying these disks in detail, astronomers hope to learn more about how planets like Earth are formed and what conditions are necessary for the development of life. Another area of focus for the James Webb Space Telescope will be studying the atmospheres of planets within our own solar system. The telescope's infrared capabilities will allow it to peer beneath the clouds that veil planets like Jupiter and Saturn, revealing previously unseen details about their atmospheres and structures. The James Webb Space Telescope's advanced technology and capabilities will also allow it to study objects that are difficult or impossible to observe with current telescopes. For example, it will be able to observe the early stages of galaxy formation. When small, dense clumps of gas and dust first begin to coalesce into larger structures, it will also be able to observe the early stages of star formation, when clouds of gas and dust collapse in on themselves to form protostars. These observations could shed new light on the processes and conditions that lead to the formation of stars and galaxies.